Can't change your username on X, formerly Twitter. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open the X Twitter app on your phone. Go to your profile page. If you tap Edit Profile, you'll notice you can change your name and bio, but not your username. That's because the username setting is located somewhere else. Here's what to do. Go back to the home screen. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy. Next, tap your account, then select Account Information. You may need to enter your password to continue. At the top, you'll see Username. Tap on it. Now, enter your new username. If it's available, tap Done or Save. If you can't change it, here are quick fixes. Make sure the username isn't already taken. Remove spaces or special characters. Update the X app to the latest version. Log out and log back in. Clear app cache. Try changing it from a web browser. That's it. That's how you fix the issue when you can't change your username on X. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more X and social media tips.